Ito guys ang value ng ating NTC, negative coefficient temperature, at kung nakikita nyo 8.87 kilo ohms. Now this will vary once I'm going to insert this in my mini ice box, and we're going to insert that there and take a look what will going to happen. Reading NTC stand for negative coefficient, and when exposes to freezing environment, the resistance reading increases. Inversely, when the sensor exposes to hot environment, the resistance reading will decreases. And that's the reading for now. It's 35 kilo ohms. After this, we're going to expose the sensor into the heated soldering iron. And take a look. Temperature drops. Yan. Hinahawakan ko lang siya. Nagdadrop na yung kanyang reading. I-expose natin naman ito sa mainit. So here is it now guys. The reading drops to 10 kilo ohms, and this is my 60 watt soldering iron. And let's take a look what will be the reading of this one. Ayan guys, nilagay natin sa aking 60 watt na soldering iron. Ayan, nagdi-decrease naman yung kanyang reading. Read the resistance reading of this sensor, measure it without exposing to heat or cold, and it must be 7 to 10 kilo ohms. Okay, I'll stop now guys, because look at the ayan, naluluto na siya guys. Naluluto na siya. Okay, I'll stop it. So napakita ko sa inyo na umabot ng 1.4 yung kanyang resistance reading. Thanks for watching.